Hi everyone, Frederick here. Quick overview on a new study that's been added to the SpeedBlock study bundle and the all-in-one bundle. And this study is called the bar speed study. Here you see it. It's in the all-in-one bundle, so if you have that, you'll already have access to it. If you don't, it's in the SpeedBlock study bundle as well, so you can get a free trial and try this out. So we can add this to a chart. In this case, it's a 500 trade chart on the CL. So every bar is 500 trades. The speed study here, can click on description. So this will give you a quick study description you can use to check out what these settings mean. So apart from the video, you can have a look at that as well. There's several subgraphs here in this study, and I'll go through that. There's a bar speed for the up bar and the down bar as well. There is continuous average bar speed. So this will be continuously calculated unless there is a reset, and the reset can be set in the study inputs. And there's also a selected average speed, also for up and down bars, based on the selected moving average type and moving average length. So quickly look at the settings here. If you have moving average type, you can say I'm going to have a simple moving average over 20 bars. Then the selected average speed will be the moving average over the last 20 bars. And the selected average speed down bar would mean that that's the simple moving average over the last 20 down bars. And for the up bars, it's the simple moving average over the last 20 up bars. And we'll zoom in a little bit on those values, and it should be clear what it does. So then the study inputs. You can have a speed type setting. You can have speed over bar range and a fixed speed reference. The fixed speed reference is useful here. We have a 500 trade chart, so we want to set the fixed speed reference here to 500. So the setting is useful to give a logical number for that speed. So what does that speed number actually mean? In this case, it will mean that the speed number is representing the number of trades per second. Okay, so we have a 500 trades chart, and the speed will actually see that one bar has 500 trades, and the speed will actually mean the number of trades per second. We can reset the continuous average speed subgraphs, and the full title is here. And you can reset that at the start of the trading period. If you do that, you also have to check your chart settings. My trade period starts at 9:30. So we're gonna reset that average speed subgraph at the start of the trading period, which is the day. We can also use different values, but we're going to use 1 day resets. Then there is a simple moving average we're going to use for 20 bars for the selected speed subgraph. Here you see the study loaded. If you use the tool values window here, you can actually hover over the chart and have a look what those subgraphs are and what the actual value is. The minimum value of the duration of a bar is 1 second. So if a bar takes 1 second to complete, or anything from 0 to 1, it will be shown as the maximum value here, which is 500. Remember the reference we took. So this bar actually completed within 1 second. So it has a speed of 500 trades per second. And if you look at this bar right here, it has a bar speed of 166 trades per second. So those are the speed values, the histograms in yellow. And if something is a up bar, then the down bar speed is 0, and the up bar speed is the actual bar speed. If we zoom in a little bit on some of those values here, let's take this part. You will see that this pink line is the selected average speed for down bars. So we said that we would take the simple moving average of the last 20 down bars. So that would mean if there's an up bar that the moving average will stay the same. We'll see that right here. So in case of up bars, that selected average speed for down bars is the same value. And we have a down bar value here. We see a change in that moving average value as well. So the selected average speed is calculated over the last 20 down bars, and the average speed here is calculated over the last 20 up bars for that blue line. The continuous here, those lines, is the continuous speed, average speed for up, down, and the normal bar. And you'll see if there's a bar, then the down bar speed will not change really. The reset of that value change 1 time a day at 9:30. See here, right here, 9:30. We have the continuous average being reset to 0, and the calculation starts again from there on. So you could play around with the reset and your moving average to see something that suits you. You would have to determine yourself what speed would mean for you, at what confluence of other indicators speed could actually mean something for you. It could mean that we are almost ready for reversal. It could mean maybe something else for you. If we have a pop here, like here, it's way higher speed than the average we are looking at, and it actually has a little move the other way. Here as well, we have the top with a high speed, and we make a little rollover here. So that could be helpful here as well. Little more speed at the top, flattening out and then rolling over a bit. Get a little bit more speed at the bottom, and then we move back up again. So these are just examples that, just catch my eye here. It doesn't mean anything in particular, but you have to do your own research to see if this is something that's useful for your trading style. So that's the speed study, providing different speed values for up bars, down bars, and moving averages over those values. Hope you like this study. Let everyone know if you like it. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm available, Twitter and email. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.